Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tech gadgets of 2024 that are about to blow your mind. From stunning upgrades to cutting-edge designs, these gadgets are redefining what technology can do. Let's jump right in. First up is the Microsoft Surface Pro 10. This is not just any tablet, it's a powerhouse. With its gorgeous 13-inch Pixel Sense display and a 120Hz refresh rate, it's perfect for everything from work to play. Under the hood, it's packing the latest Intel Core i9 processor, which means lightning-fast performance. Compared to its predecessor, the Surface Pro 10 offers a 20% boost in battery life and a more responsive touchscreen. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, this device is a total game-changer. Next, let's talk about the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. This phone is a beast. It features a revolutionary 108MP triple camera system, making your photos and videos look incredible in any lighting. The A17 Bionic chip ensures top-notch performance and efficiency. The new model outperforms the iPhone 14 Pro Max with a 30% increase in processing speed and 25% more battery life. Plus, the ProMotion display now supports up to 240 Hz, making every swipe and tap super smooth. It's clear, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is setting a new standard for smartphones. Moving on, we have the Sony WH-1000 XM5 headphones. Known for their top-tier noise cancellation, these headphones deliver an immersive audio experience. They feature improved sound quality and a more comfortable design. Compared to the WH-1000 XM4, the XM5S have a 15% longer battery life and even better noise-canceling capabilities. They're lighter, and the touch controls are more intuitive, making them perfect for those long listening sessions. If you're an audiophile, these are definitely worth checking out. Now, let's look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. This smartwatch is packed with health and fitness features, including advanced sleep tracking, ECG monitoring, and a new body composition analysis tool. The AMOLED display is brighter and more vibrant than ever. Compared to the Galaxy Watch 5, it offers a 20% increase in battery life and more accurate health tracking. Plus, it's more durable with improved water and dust resistance. Fitness enthusiasts, this watch is a must-have. Last but not least, we have the DJI Air 3 drone. This compact drone features a 1-inch CMOS sensor and can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. The new obstacle avoidance system makes flying in tricky environments much safer. Compared to the Air 2S, the Air 3 offers a 25% increase in flight time and better image stabilization. The new intelligent flight modes make it easier to capture professional quality footage. If you're into drones, this one's definitely worth your attention. So, those are the top 5 tech gadgets of 2024. Which one are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.